Hi students, today we are going to talk about kinds of sentences which are based on meaning. So in this lecture we are going to just talk about first is declarative sentence and second is interrogative sentence. So let's start with declarative sentence. Declarative sentence states a fact, it does not need an answer and it is punctuated with a period. Period means full stop, this one. Okay, now simply we can say that declarative sentences are actually statements, means simple sentence. Now statements can be positive, statements can also be negative, and at the end of this sentence we use period, means full stop. Whenever there is the full stop, that is the example of declarative sentence. Now look at the examples. Now affirmative is called positive sentence and negative means in which there is the use of the word not. It means whenever the word not is used in simple statement, that will be called as negative sentence. So let's read out first positive sentence. Here it is. This is he is a good boy. You can see there is no use of the word not. That is why this is positive, and at the end we have used full stop. Second sentence is she writes beautifully. Again in second sentence there is no use of not. The sentence in which not is not used, that is positive sentence, or we can say that is affirmative sentence, and here we have used full stop at the end. Let's read out the examples of negative. First one is they are not playing. Now here you can see there is what? There is the use of the word not. Any statement in which there is not. Okay, so that will be the example of negative sentence of declarative sentence. And at the end there is full stop. Second sentence is he is not a doctor. Again you can see there is the use of not, and at the end there is full stop. So these all are the examples of declarative sentence in which there can be a positive sentence or there can also be a negative sentence. Next we have interrogative sentences. Now let's read out the definition. The definition says a sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Simple as that. All the questions are called interrogative sentence. Look at the examples. First one is who are you? At the end we have to use this question mark. So remember this point, that any sentence which ends on question mark, that is the example of interrogative sentence. Second example we have are you feeling well? Again there is question mark. Last is what is in this box? Here you can see this also ends on question marks. So simply all the questions either they start with WH words. WH words like it can be who, what, which, whose, etc. So any sentence that starts with WH words or other words and they must end on this sign of question or question mark, that is the example of interrogative sentence. So dear students, this was all about two of the kinds like declarative sentence and interrogative sentence. Thank you for listening.